So Runion Dental Group at Mill Run, kind of a different kind of an office, kind of a wellness center, almost like a spa. Tell me about it.
Yeah, we're real excited. So we took all of our high-level technology, our highly trained staff, our doctors, and we really just created a new facility on the other side of town. We're taking all of the comprehensive dental care and combining.
When you say comprehensive, what do you mean?
So, of course, we have our general dentistry services for your family and
Okay.
all ages. Aesthetic services, we got the beautiful smile designs, Invisalign, orthodontic care. But then, of course, our comprehensive rehabilitations with implants and all types of crowns and all that type of stuff. So we're combining that with the wellness. So
Yeah, tell me about that.
So IV hydration, we're adding high vitamin drips, vitamin B, vitamin C, glutathione, and we're doing that in our dental facility. So when you come in, you get your hygiene visit, you maybe get a couple of fillings, even wisdom teeth taken out, and then you have access to your wellness services.
Like they just sit in a relaxing chair and get a vitamin IV?
Yeah, and that's really where it started. We have patients already there, you're getting your dental care done, why not get your wellness services done at the same time? So that's where the vision started, and it really escalated from there to where it's like patients want this stuff, it's a great service, it makes you feel better, you recover quicker, and we can do it all in one facility.
Okay, then you have cryotherapy there. In a dental office.
Yeah, so we're really into fitness, we're into wellness, we're into making you feel better. And nothing better than to rejuvenate all your tissues with really cold therapy.
Do you do it?
I do it all the time. Everyone knows about an ice bath. Why not do it where you're not wet, you're not freezing cold for 10 minutes. You go in, a couple minutes, your tissues, your legs, your whole body feels better. We focus on the joint and the jaw and some of those special therapies. So really people can come in, feel better, leave.
So people with like TMD or TMJ problems, the cryotherapy may help a little bit for that?
Absolutely. So of course we focus on the mouth. So we treat people that have joint and muscle pain all the time, but in the dental office you're used to getting appliances or a guard or something like that. In our office you get all of that, but you also get the additional therapies like the cold therapy right against the jaw. We apply that with our IV hydration and some of those recovery services. And what we're doing is we're really speaking to the message of comprehensive wellness.
Nice. Now, you walk the talk. I saw you walk into our green room with a t-shirt on and you are ripped and in great shape. So this is kind of like a dream practice for you?
Always been. I mean, my vision has always been comprehensive care. I want to really treat the patient as a whole, not just their mouth, not just their teeth. My thing is I've never wanted to be a tooth doctor. I've wanted to be a comprehensive care wellness doctor who can really solve problems from start to finish.
Okay, good. Now, let's talk about the aesthetics part of this practice.
So everyone comes in and they're like, I want my teeth whiter, I want to smile and look beautiful, but they forget about some of those other areas like fine lines and wrinkles or maybe some lips that aren't quite full enough. So in our office we have medical professionals, not just the doctors, but some registered nurses that can apply these Botox and fillers like dermal fillers to get the lips and all the lines removed.
Now you're trained in all this stuff too as well, right?
We are Academy of Facial Aesthetic trained, highest level of training, and we do it every day. Who's better than dealing with these little tiny needles than dentists?
I've had a plastic surgeon on my show and we were talking, we're friends, and he says, these dentists are used to using small needles.
Yeah.
They're good at it, naturally.
Yeah, all day, every day, we're using little needles, injecting. It was a very easy transition into learning that. And now that our patients have such good results, time in and time out, I feel very confident.
So is this true that people like with maybe migraines or jaw pain, that Botox gets rid of it in some cases?
Yeah, Botox is known to just remove the fine lines and the wrinkles, but the real use of it was to get rid of the jaw, migraines, headache, all those type of things. So with our training of being able to know the cause of the problem, we can use that as an adjunct therapy to get people feeling better.
Have you had people that it works, like Botox?
I was one of them. So myself, I suffered a lot of muscle and jaw pain consistently for years. And that was really my first introduction to where I was a patient and I got feeling better instantly. So now we do it all day long.
So what do you call it? It's like a dental spa, a medical spa. But
You know,
it's kind of, but it's in a dental office.
I love both of those names. We're really just calling it a comprehensive dental facility or a wellness facility. The point is we really want to treat people from start to finish.
So you have two offices, one on the west side of Columbus and east side.
Yes.
And more medical doctors are referring you patients. Like what type of patients, what type of procedures?
That was one of our big reasons to go to the west side of town, is so we can serve that side of town with our referrals that we get. Medical doctors send us their pain patients, people that have chronic migraines, head and neck pain, but also patients that have sleep disorders where they're having a hard time breathing at night, and they've suffered that for a long time and they're not really doing well with the CPAP machine.
Okay.
So they're coming to us, we're treating their sleep with sleep appliances, but we're also treating their pain with all of those things that we spoke about, injections, cryotherapy, the IV hydration, all of that type of stuff.
So these people that they're breathing okay during the day, but when they go to sleep, all of a sudden what? Their tongue drops back,
yeah,
their jaw drops back, and you make an appliance that what, just keeps the airway open?
Exactly. So what we do is we custom fabricate an appliance that fits into their mouth. All they gotta do is wear it at night, and it positions the jaw so that the airway is open and they can breathe fine throughout the night, which ultimately solves a lot of issues, everything from weight gain to hypertension to all sorts of issues.
So do you go back and forth between both practices?
Yeah, so all of our staff is trained to be able to work in both facilities. The point is really so there's a common face wherever you go, and there's a consistency to our service. And I really want to make sure that wherever you go, you're getting the best service.
Okay, good. Final message. What do you want people to know about your mill run facility?
So what I want people to know is that our level of care is the same as our other facility, and that we're also offering comprehensive wellness with the IV hydration and the cryotherapy, and to really give them a wow experience and to really change their life and their momentum going forward with positive health.